Hi everyone! It's 1:30 p.m. here in Vienna, Austria. And in the Philippines, it's 8:30 na ng gabi, guys. Today, guys, change time na tayo dito, guys, sa Vienna, Austria. Pag summertime, 6 hours difference. And then now, winter time, it's 7 hours difference, guys. So, ngayon, guys, talagang gutom ako, guys. Kaya, nagprito ako ng liempo. And then, pagkatapos, gumawa ako ng sauce niya. So, ayan, guys. Ang sarap-sarap, guys. Sigurado, sira na naman ang diet ni Jonah nito. Ayan, guys. So, this is my kind of liempo. Giprito ko lang yan, guys. And of course, guys, rice is life. And nag-bake din ako